It's Thursday, November 7th, 2024, and I am about to check out, and we're going to start the third and final day here. Lake Lure Incorporated. We are here. We are back at the camp/RV trailer park, RV park, and we've got some more cleanup work to do. Just get all the trash, put it on the sides. We're back at it. Man, this thing's caked all the way up in mud here. That's all wedged in there, isn't it?
I was about to say, I don't know if I can get to all that.
Yeah.
Behind all this.
We'd have to get this out, right?
Yeah. I'm not.
We got a junk truck here. Probably gonna drop it here so we can start just chucking stuff in there.
Of all the metal, so he can use the tractor to carry it to the farther one.
Oh, okay. Hey, since we're down here now, you got a couple of trees down. Do you want those cut up, or?
Yeah, if they're down there, cut them up.
All right, because we're already down there. And we're getting to the point now where most of the stuff's kind of buried. Right. We're trying to pull it up, and it's not going anywhere. So.
All right, I'm getting ready to bring the excavator down here, and I'll be able to move shit around, whatever you need me to move, rocks, dirt, whatever.
Okay.
I'd like to try to fill that mud hole in. I don't know what the hell that's from.
Hey, I meant to ask you yesterday, are you okay being on YouTube?
Yeah, it don't matter to me. I don't care.
Okay, because I'm recording a lot of this, so I just want to make sure that you're cool with it.
Yeah, no, I have no problem.
Okay. All right.
There is one piece of metal that goes on the front of my tractor on that bucket.
Okay.
It's about this wide, and I saw it here somewhere.
Oh, okay.
I use that to move trailers.
Okay.
And I'm gonna need it to move them trailers up there.
So was it loose?
Yeah, it was just laying on the ground.
Yeah, it probably ended up in here then, James, because we were just
No,
throwing.
is this metal?
This is all that one or this one? No, this is plastic. I'm sorry. Might have ended up over there. We might want to ask the group. What did it look like?
It's just a piece of steel with a ball on it.
Okay.
For the hitch.
Hey, did you guys come across a piece of steel with a ball on it, like a hitch for a tractor?
I haven't seen one. Right out of the gate, there was something that got moved up into that steel pile.
Yeah.
It was a chunk about this big, maybe.
With a ball on top of it?
I don't know. I saw one of those grab it.
Okay.
I saw it over here yesterday when I was talking
Yeah.
to
Yeah, that's
people.
where it came from.
All right.
Okay.
Let me ask too. Go ahead and look at it there. I'll ask. Hey guys, when you first got over here, did you come across like a plate with a ball on it?
Yes.
That you did?
Yes. The ball hit.
Yes.
You know where you put it? Yeah, I threw it in the pile. I'm sorry, I didn't know.
No, that's all right. That's all right.
I had to get it out because I was the one that sent it over.
Awesome, awesome. I get to pull a chainsaw out.
Are they doing stuff down there now? Or?
So he's going to bring the excavator over here to kind of move some of this, but also they're talking about getting a skid steer to help with some of this, maybe a larger one. And then he said you definitely want these trees cut up. So I'm going to do that instead.
So
Is
when
it-
you cut them up, you can move them somewhere.
Yeah,
Where-
maybe put them at the edge of the road and you can,
Just throw them down there.
yeah.
Okay.
What the
Yeah,
heck?
we wouldn't have trash.
I know, that's what I told him. I said, it's stuff's sticking out half buried and
Yeah.
awesome.
Oh, God.
Woo! Good job, guys. Good job. All right, James, I'm gonna go get a chainsaw. I'm gonna start over there, okay?
Okay. What was your name again? I'm sorry.
Rob.
Rob?
Yeah. Yep. I'm going to just start cutting back here. It's got a couple of trees here and try to get these done too. Now that I've got the go-ahead from the owner. Awesome, thank you. Careful there, because it's uprooted. There's a hole right there. You're stronger than I am. There's a hole right here, careful. Yeah. Watch yourself. Another one here. Watch yourself. One more. What do you want me to do?
That tree there?
Oh, the one that's laying down?
Yeah.
Cut it? Okay.
If you, I don't know if you can get to it because I can't see it, but on the other side, I can't get that damn thing out of there.
Okay.
I'm going to try to work my way around to the other side. I can't reach it.
Do you want the whole thing cut or cut it right here? The big saw will cut through that, but I don't know what's underneath that, you know?
Yeah, I'll just sit right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Pick this up. So where is he going? Where?
He said he was gonna go around.
Where's he always got to do? Dig that little out right there.
That's right.
Hey, you know, hey, that's his machine. It's his world. Hey,
That's right.
yeah.
Yep.
I'm just here waiting.
Oh yeah. Got the big boys coming in here. Plenty of room. Quite the convoy, got more trucks coming in. They're loading people up in the truck to go to lunch. And I guess that's what I'm going to do also. Woo! Look at that. Whew. Got the skid steer going on there. Putting everything in the dumpster down there, which is great. We're just going to keep cleaning up. I'm going to hand me that piece right there, that big one. This one here, I'll drag it. Ah, thank you. Hold on a second. I was trying to do the same thing. Yeah. I'm gonna go talk to the owner, ask him what he wants us to do with the stuff and the wire sticking out, because we got to dig it out. Oh. Is James down here? James, the owner? Oh, okay. Guess the owner went to eat, so we got to go find out where he is. Hey.
Who?
The owner, James.
Isn't that him?
No.
Oh, he's on that.
Yep.
When you talk to him, are you going to ask him something?
Yes.
Will you ask him if it's okay if we restart the burn pile?
Oh, yeah.
It's gone out, but
Yeah.
we just want to get his okay. To burn.
Yep.
We can keep burning stuff.
Yep.
And then give us, we'll be over here, just give us thumbs up or thumbs down.
Okay. I'll ask. I'm going to move my truck out of the way here so the dumpster truck that picks this up can haul it away and replace it with a new one. So now he's clearing a path for us probably about 20 feet so we can get the skid steers in, or skid steers. Get the steer skids in, start taking some of this over to the dumpster. But we got to get all the rocks out because this skid steer can't get in. So got two of them working together here just to clear that path out. And then we can start taking this over to the dumpster over there because they picked up the one that was standing there. The skid steer is going to end up picking up a lot of this. The Kabuto is at its limit when it's trying to put the trash in, and it's just too small. So in the meantime, every little bit of help. He's trying to get the tractor, actually that's a wood splitter, and then his tractor out of here. So they dug a bunch of this out already. All right, I'm gonna get a drink. Yeah. Yeah, I do. Yeah, it's a good.
I'm looking at getting the truck myself.
Yeah, it's a good truck. They got the same color. The trim work is all the same color.
Love
Yeah.
it. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's a good truck.
Gorgeous. Is it unlocked? Would you mind if I could look in the back seat?
Yeah.
I'm just trying to figure out how much back room.
Oh, tons
back
of leg
seat room.
space.
That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah, it's leg space is incredible.
Yeah,
There's a lot of stuff back here, but
yeah, see, there you go. Okay, so you got a lot of room back
you want to sit in it real quick? Just move it all over.
Maybe all right?
Yeah.
Don't mind? You got a ton of room back here.
Good. How are you?
Doing okay?
It rides like a car.
It does.
Like a Cadillac.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
wow.
really smooth.
Is there any storage behind the seat?
Not behind the seat, but you can lift the seat up. There's some little bit of storage.
Underneath?
Mhm.
Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice, man.
Yep.
Oh, wow. That's great.
Yep.
Thank you, man.
And I got a van, and out of all three vehicles, I drive my red truck more than anything else.
We're walking down here, admiring everything that's going on. Yeah, I don't know what's up there. You can walk. So it's the first time I've been farther down here. Oh. I don't know what that means. So these rocks, some of these rocks were here already underneath, but not all of them. That's a sight. Yep.
Like 20, 30.
Gravel, yep. He's preventing him from tipping over. Here comes the big boy. Oh, maybe they are going back that way now. They were going this way before.
carbs and everything.
All right, we got the fire going over here. Finally started up. That's all wood, branches, etc.
I don't think anyone wants to grab that bag of trash.
Huh?
I don't think anyone wants to grab that bag of trash.
It smells. I think it's like
That's some chicken.
Woo.
That chicken doesn't smell too good.
No.
Whew.
Yeah.
Woo. Getting a little toasty over there. So that's the last load that he's taken. He said the dumpster is a little too full or getting full and he can't compact it down anymore, so but we really did a good job getting this out, so another job well done today. The owner got his tractor out. Look at that. All right, nice.
Runs real good. Real quiet.
It's electric.
Tesla. Change the name.
Yep,
For all you doubters, we got it out.
that's right.
Hey, it's running real quiet. It's running real good. It's running quiet. It's a good motor. Yeah.
That's progress right there. I'm going to explain to you how much this river shifted when Helene came through. These two trees right here, 1, 2, the river came up to about right here. The storm came through and shifted the river to where it is now, which I'm guessing is, let's see, 50, it's probably 85 to 90 feet. So 40 yards, I'm sorry, 30 yards. That's how much it shifted. And it's a new pattern.
And everything. It's
So,
hard to envision.
How many campers were along here, you think?
Man. 20,
20? Okay.
maybe more.
Okay.
Sally, how many campers you think were along the river? You think 20?
Probably 25, 30.
Yeah,
25,
yeah,
20, 30, whatever.
somewhere
Yeah.
in there.
Yeah. Whew. We are at the end of the day here, and another successful day at the RV park, and we are finished for the day. My last and final day here. We've got a burn pile going in the background here for the wood, and we cleared a lot out. If you look over at that pile over there where the gentleman is, that was just full of metal and wood, and we were able to get the skid steer to put everything in that junk container over there, and we even packed it down with the skid steer. We are going to close this one out, call it a successful 3 days, and maybe make some plans to come out here again if they'll take me. Hope you enjoy this series of videos. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll get to them when I can. And until next time, peace out.